10 Common BMW X3 Engine Overheating Causes in Thousand Oaks. Engine overheating is a common problem that can be faced by all car owners. Engine of your BMW X3 is overheated when the cooling system is under constant pressure, high temperature. If you are driving a car with an overheated engine, it may lead to major engine damages. Give proper attention to the engine overheating issues will save your engine and money. Below points define the common causes behind the engine overheating issues in BMW X3. Damaged thermostat. Thermostat is an important component of the BMW which is located in the coolant system. If it is stuck in the closed position, then it leads to engine overheating issues due to the coolant flow. Broken cabin heater. Cabin heater is working the same as the engine radiator used for heating the passenger cabin. Over time, the cabin heater is starting to leak or clogged up due to material fatigue. Failed water pump. Water pump is an engine-driven turbine that can keep the coolant flow through the engine. When the impeller fins are broken, the water pump has failed and causes engine damages. Fluctuated engine coolant. In the middle marked coolant level, you will notice normal system pressure in your BMW X3. Fluctuated engine coolant is the most common reason behind the engine overheating due to invisible leaks, loose cap on the coolant reservoir, evaporated low-quality coolant, clogged coolant system. Coolant system is beneficial for the proper flow of the coolant throughout the system. Using low-quality coolant can cause problems in the cooling system and lead to engine overheating issues. Sloppy hose clamps. Most common causes behind the engine overheating issues are the sloppy hose clamps. Over time, the clamp can be loosening up, shrunk, or break due to high pressure. Failed head gasket. Head gasket is working as a seal between the cylinder head and engine block. When the head gasket is failed, the oil and coolant can be mixed and constantly overheating the engine. Malfunction thermal switch. Thermal switch is an electrical switch located on the radiator and functioned with the coolant temperature. If the thermal switch has malfunctioned, the coolant temperature is increased and leads to engine overheating. Leaks in the coolant hose. Common causes behind the engine overheating in most of the car are the coolant hose leaks. Eventually, the leaks in the coolant hose may lead to engine overheating issues in your BMW. Broken radiator. Main purpose of the radiator is to lower down the engine coolant temperature. If the radiator is broken, then it may cause leaking and cause engine overheating issues. Due to unusual environmental conditions in Thousand Oaks, many BMW owners face engine overheating issues. Consult with a reputed mechanic for fixing the issues as early as possible. Visit us.